Yes, you did read that title right. We're going to be sound designing with FL keys.
Huh?
You may see me use some other stuff as well, like Serum possibly, or some third-party plugins that might be free or paid. So let's get to it. I kind of want to make a pluck, so I just want to see like what each piano sounds like. That could definitely be like a nice soft pluck. We could work with that. Let's play around with decay. And I want it to be a bit stereo as well. Cool. So I'm gonna make a one shot out of this. I've just literally put it on at the C note because I just like to tune everything to C. All right, so I was sort of like boosting the bass a tiny bit so I don't hear that clangy sound of the piano. Just using Maximus to compress the sound a bit, and yeah, just one of the presets called Slight Warmness. I like how it's sort of like, because I'm just trying to imitate that volume of the pluck, you know, how it has like a high attack and decays out. So I love this reverb plugin, so sick. So we got the recording in Edison. I'm gonna see if I can change the waveform a bit. Yeah, if you ever like come across that really annoying thing in Edison where it's just like, it only lets you touch certain areas of the grid. Like it's literally just in the magnet section here. I just changed it to another one and it let me just move it around. I don't like the sharpness of that tone there, of that pluck at the start. Delete that. Yes, nice. It sounds clean. For me, in this case, I feel like Serum would be great. So I'm just dragging this onto Serum into the sample section here. Yeah, sweet. We want to delay. I feel like we need a compressor. It's a bit too quiet. Not that gain a bit. Sweet, this is sounding good. All right. All right, sweet. Now that we've got some sort of like actual foundation we can work from, I'm gonna make a quick like chord progression sort of melody. I've exported this out and I'm gonna see if I can make like a top line or sort of background melody to go alongside this. We'll just add some blur to it. I'm gonna drag this into New Tone from Edison and I'll just see if I can like create something by scrubbing the melodies together. I wasn't really liking the melody that I made in the first place. that's it. Thanks for sticking around. I'm going to keep on cooking up whenever I can, and post as many videos as much as I can. So feel free to subscribe or reach out, comment down below, give me some feedback. But no, see you next time.